It'll change your life. Emotionally, mentally, and health-wise. You'll be a different person because I am a different person. And I'm grateful for that. Sorry. It was hard and made you feel lonely even, at times. It was awful. I was in the dentist all the time. We spent a lot of money on my teeth and on my mouth. When I finally got to Dr. Bean, I had no back teeth. So eating was difficult. So that was one of the positive things, is now I can eat steak and stuff, which is my favorite. I didn't have the confidence that I have now. So when I would talk to people, I really didn't make eye contact or talk long. Especially at church, I wasn't very involved. Kind of to myself. Because I was so self-conscious. I was so always trying to make sure my teeth were covered by my mouth, my lips. When I went to Dr. Bean, I had a partial of 4. And so that would be embarrassing when I was talking and it would just kind of come loose. That was really embarrassing. But it's almost like I was in a shell. I really didn't have much confidence at all. Inside I did, but it was not projected at all. You couldn't tell, so. And it was hard. That's hard. Going through life, just worrying about, are they looking at my teeth? My teeth are in terrible condition. Well, at church, I wanted to be more involved, in the ladies' ministry and giving my testimony. But my smile, my teeth, that stopped me. I wanted to, but I just couldn't take that step because I had no confidence. I need to find a dentist that can help. I was always kind of scared of dentists anyways because I've been to so many, but they were so compassionate and kind. And he was he explained everything to me, the whole entire office. Being a first-time patient, they just made you feel so welcomed. I still, every time I look in the mirror, every day, I smile, and I'm so grateful that I got this done and that I met Dr. Bean and his team. I really am. Every day, I'm grateful that I can smile big. I can go be involved with my kids' school, that I'm involved with my ladies' ministry. I gave my testimony at church. And I teach children's church now on Sundays. So it definitely changed everything.